What excites me most about this industry right now is collaboration. There's increasing collaboration amongst all the value chain segments, and we really see that, and that's absolutely necessary in government relations, but also in the association. It's really a role that the association has taken on to bring together regional and global parts of the industry so that we're really reflecting the global supply chain, and I can't overemphasize how important that is in the current geopolitical climate. The current health of the global electronics industry, I would say that we're in relatively good shape, but we can always be fitter. And the reason is that companies now increasingly have to walk a tightrope between balancing very delicate global supply chains and bolstering regional manufacturing. So that is really a tightrope. And they also have to remain competitive. And with a lot happening in the world, again, geopolitical developments means that energy prices are increasing. There's this issue about access to oil and to energy. We still have to see what the downstream impact is of that, but there can be significant impact. So it's really a tightrope that companies are walking right now. Opportunities that are emerging that were not on the radar so much 2 or 3 years ago. I don't know what it says about the world, but of course, the whole area of defense is becoming increasingly important. And we certainly see that in Europe, that increasing budgets are going towards the defense industry. And that means, of course, that there's an increasing need for high reliability electronics. So that's something that was not so much in Europe, in any case, on the radar a few years ago. At the same time, I would say that with energy issues and, again, geopolitical developments, we're also seeing that with less reliance on fossil fuels, we're also seeing a turn towards alternative energies, which means that the area of net zero and alternative energies is another opportunity for the electronics industry that is also increasing. The best career advice I received was from a former boss who always said, if you're not at the table, you're probably on the menu. So I think that was the advice that I carry with me everywhere that I go. You have to be making sure that you are always at the table. The conversations I'm having this year, I think that are different to last year, is, again, much more collaboration amongst the industry and the industry segments. And we're seeing a coming together, I would say, of the entire value chain, because everybody understands that we're in this together. The challenges we're facing are not only regional, they're global, and we're seeing similar issues throughout the globe. So that, I think, has changed the conversation this year.